wasn't turning on. The power was onto it, but it got left on the last time somebody was out here. So there was electricity going to these contacts, and it's full of ants in between the contacts. And some people believe that ants are attracted to electricity. That's not the case. What they do is they walk across these contacts, and it kills one, and then the ants release a smell when they die, and it attracts other ants. So it's just like a domino effect. Like one gets killed, and then they keep coming, keep coming, keep coming, and then the electricity contact doesn't make contact anymore, and you have no power to your well.
And a lot of times this also happens with AC units as well, right?
So I turned the power off to the well at the breaker so that we can mess with this contact, because there would be electricity going through it.
Right.
So now we can pick these ants out of here. So kind of break them over there. Well, there's no more in between. Good there. Let's try it again.
No. Sprayed the ants around it.
We need to bring some like granules out here and spread them all around here.
Yeah, keep on coming.
Well, let's try that. Get out of there. Shits. Okay.
That looks like it needs to be wrapped around a little better.
Alright, we'll go try to go click the breaker, and maybe it'll click on.
No. No, you turn it back off? Use my knife. Is it off?
Yeah. But these little contacts, they've got to have just, they're pretty sensitive. Once you get them cleaned out, though, they make a good contact. And
Any
puts
dirt,
the well back on.
any dirt, grime, here you go. Any dirt, grime, anything like that, preventing that contact will cause it to not work right.
That's good enough.
Yeah, don't worry about it.
All right, so pressure tank's full. We're good to go.
We're in business.